Hey, this is Marco, and today I'm going to tell you when is Jake Paul versus Mike Tyson fight happening. But before I tell you that, I can offer you Shopify completely for free for your first 3 days, and then you only have to pay $1 your first month. So the fight is happening and will be exclusively streamed on Netflix. So if you have subscription on Netflix, you will be able to watch it. And if you want to go to the fight is happening on July 20th in Dallas, Texas at the AT&T Stadium. If you want to buy tickets for it to go there, you need to go to the website called mostvaluablepromotions.com, sign up for a pre-sale which gives you exclusive first access to tickets 48 hours before the public. You enter information here, send, and then you wait. And then you get tickets, you buy, you go there, watch the fight. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Also, if you want this Shopify offer, click the link in the description.